ஹலோ.
ஹலோ.
சாரி அம்மா திடீர்னு கூப்பிட்டாங்க. What about your family members? Everyone is safe?
You were talking to Vidyashree and Swati also like this way only, no?
No.
They told me that you did so.
No. So promisely I have not done like that. See, Swati kita what I told is, Swati can
Leave Swati. What about Vidyashree then?
Vidyashree also I told her. லூசு மாதிரி பேசாத பொந்தார் நீ. வித்யாஸ்ரீ கிட்ட till recently I am not talking because I couldn't, but எப்பவுமே I used to what do you call make her angry. உங்ககிட்ட தான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஈவன் ஐ டோல்ட் இந்த மாதிரி இப்படி பொந்தார்னி கிட்ட தான் பேசிட்டு இருந்தேன்னு சொன்னா அவன் கடுப்பானா. I told like that, right? So what I was doing is just I made, and you know that what are all the things I spoke to her. Then how can you ask that?
தூக்கமே வர மாட்டேங்குது thinking about all this.
Then how can you ask such a question? இந்த மாதிரி சொன்ன, இந்த மாதிரி நீ எல்லாரும் போயிட்டாங்க, வித்யாஸ்ரீ கால் பண்ண யார் இருக்கா அப்படின்னு கேட்டா வந்தாருன்னு இருக்கா, அவன் மட்டும் தான் இருக்காளா அப்படின்னு கேட்டா, ஆமா நாங்க 2 பேரும் பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம், செம்ம கடுப்பாயிட்டா காண்டாயிட்டா அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னது இல்லையா?
சொல்லிருக்கீங்க. But she has told me something else also, that whatever you have spoken with her.
Something else I have never spoken. So do you want, I don't have any as this is a new mobile, I don't have any chat backup or nothing. See Pondarni, just understand one thing. I speak to everyone literally. I tease them. I mean, teasing in the sense, it doesn't mean in the way to hurt them. I normally play with them. I normally use it to talk with them literally. It doesn't mean that I talk to them everyone in a wrong perspective. Okay. The only thing where I have slipped is in the case of you. Okay. So okay. Pondarni, let us itana varsha irukku. Okay va. Nearly having 8 years of experience. Okay, any of your seniors have said anything such a thing like this? It won't happen, Pondarni. It doesn't happen. It was completely accidentally happened. And it is not my intention to poke you, or it is not your intention to poke me.
Okay, vidunga.
See, and one thing again and again, the choice of your words is very very hurting, Pondarni.
Please Mithun sir பேசாதீங்க.
அதேதான்
எனக்கு எப்படி இருக்குன்னு உங்களுக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் Pondarni, அதாவது ஒரு what do you call, இந்த ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்லுவாங்களே, virginity is not only for girls, even for boys do we have. Okay, we I regret for what happened. I regret. Now do you think that I'm sleeping peacefully? நான் தூங்கி ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு. How many hardships after that? What has happened? I have faced a lot of hardships.
I'm gonna tell school management about this, seriously. About what happened.
Are you going? I think you are in an intention to ruin everything, right? After that, did I what do you call? What can I say? Can I say that? After that, did I disturb you in any means?
புரியல எனக்கு.
நீ இல்ல அப்படின், everything was over on that night, right? I mean, on that night, in the sense, okay, being apart. அதுக்கப்புறம் did I disturb you in any means?
No.
இப்போ நீ கால் பண்ணிருக்கியே இது
ஒரு நிமிஷம்ப்பா.
நீ கால் பண்ணிருக்கியே இது உன் நம்பர்னே எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலி forward. I don't know. Actually, as I said, I gave you a word that I will be deleting your number. I deleted your number. See, I respected you in I respected your decision and everything. Same do I expect you to do.
இல்ல எனக்கு சரியா படல. வைக்கிறேன். பை.